Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zombie Claw, Zombies Coming to Nashville, and Born Pretty BPL-041. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here's Zombie Claw, Zombies Coming to Nashville. It's a really fun polish. The formula is really good on it. It's squishy and I like it. I like it quite a bit. And today we're going to do some stamping. I know you're not shocked, right? I'm going to cut that free edge first. Very pretty. We're going to go in for a second coat of Zombies Coming to Nashville. This was a VIP exclusive for the Polish Expo that was held in Nashville in July. Finally getting around to using it. There we go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. We're going to get it to dry down and do some playing. Gapping that free edge again. Ta-da! There's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using BPL-041 and Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black. And some clean colors. This one is Metallic Mango, kind of orange, and then we've got Metallic Purple. So here we go, we're going to get into it. I got out a, what's that called, a Konad stamper, and we're going to just get to playing with that. And I got my Maniology scraper today. I'm going to do some plaid nails, and I'm going to just be straight up honest, this was not how I pictured it. You know, that vision in the head did not line up with what I got. But that's okay. I wore it for a week. Wasn't my favorite. Still isn't my favorite. But, you know, I had nail polish on my nails. So I used the orange with one image, and I'm using the purple with an image. I did some with the black. And I think what happened with this manicure was that those metallic colors didn't show up as well as I thought they would. That's okay. We're okay with it. I still got a plaid mani out of it. After cleaning that up with some acetone, the plate and the little mat, I am going to pick up some of this excess polish with the piece of tape. This trick works pretty good most of the time. And that way I don't have as much to clean up here with my cleanup brush and the acetone. Just going around real quick. Tidying things up, making it look all presentable. There we go. Awesome. Now we're going to head on to the Smudge Free Top Coat from Maniology. And we're going to just swipe this over so that nothing bleeds when I put the real top coat on. Hi Woody, how you doing? I am topping it with the Poshe top coat. And that will be it for this manicure. And like I said, not my favorite. Not something I'm rootin' tootin' proud of. But there you go. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.